let's talk about the elephant in the room. Content burnout is real. Between scripting, editing, thumbnails, and music, it's easy to feel like you're juggling flaming torches while riding a unicycle. But what if I told you there's a secret weapon that can douse those flames and hand you a safety net? AI. And guess what? You don't need a single dollar to harness its power. Today, I'm revealing 7 free AI tools that'll make your workflow faster, smarter, and 10 times more creative. These aren't just cool tools, they're game changers I use myself to save hours every week. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, stick around. Your future self will thank you. Let's kick things off with Writer. Ever stared at a blank page praying for inspiration? Writer is like that friend who always has your back. Need a script outline? Type 5 video ideas for a vegan cooking channel, and boom, it spits out gold. I used Writer to draft this script. It's not perfect, sometimes it gets a little too quirky. But for brainstorming hooks, titles, or even replying to comments, lifesaver. Pro tip: specificity is key. Instead of write a tech intro, try write a snarky intro comparing iPhone 15 to a potato. You'll get way crazier results. Thumbnails can make or break your CTR, but not all of us are Photoshop wizards. Enter Crayon. Type cyberpunk cat eating pizza in Tokyo and watch it generate 9 wild options. I used Crayon for last week's video. The best part? No copyright drama. Just download, tweak in Canva, and you're done. Pro tip: add trending on YouTube or cinematic lighting to your prompts. The AI eats those details up. Confession: my drawing skills peaked in kindergarten, but with AutoDraw, even my blob-like sketches turn into sleek graphics. Scribble a vague mountain, and it suggests polished icons. I use this for quick B-roll assets. Think arrows, emojis, or quirky scene transitions. It's like having a mini graphic designer in your browser. Pro tip: pair it with a screen recorder to create DIY animations. Your viewers will never know. Ever fallen into a 2-hour tutorial rabbit hole? Aidify is your escape rope. Paste any YouTube link, and it spits out bullet point summaries with timestamps. I used this to research a competitor's video. In 30 seconds, I knew their key points, top comments, and where to improve. Game Recognize Game. Pro tip: use it to fact-check long-form content fast. Perfect for reaction videos or debunking myths. Editing is where dreams go to die, unless you use Veed. Auto captions, noise removal, resizing, all with drag-and-drop simplicity. Before Veed, I wasted hours syncing subtitles. Now, upload, click auto subtitle, and it's done. The free plan leaves a tiny watermark, but hey, it beats paying $20 a month. Pro tip: use the social media template to repurpose YouTube clips for TikTok ARC Reels in one click. What if I told you you could clone yourself? Synthesia lets you create videos with AI avatars that look and sound like you. No camera, no makeup, no problem. I tested this for a sponsored segment. The avatar nailed the tone, and my audience had no idea. Okay, that's low-key terrifying, but also awesome. Pro tip: use it for evergreen content, like channel trailers, to save time. The free plan's 36 minutes are perfect for dipping your toes. Copyright strikes are the boogeyman of YouTube. Mubear banishes them. Want a synthwave track for a productivity video? Generate it in seconds. I made a lo-fi track for my study vlog. It's not Hans Zimmer, but it's free and legal. Pro tip: combine genres like jazz plus space for unique vibes. Your audience will ask, where'd you find this? All right, creators, there's your toolkit. Writer, Crayon, AutoDraw, Aidify, Veed, Synthesia, Mubert. These tools aren't just free, they're freedom from creative burnout. Now I want to hear from you. Which tool are you trying first? Any hidden gems I missed? Drop a comment. Let's geek out. If this video saved you time, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell, because next week, I'm exposing 5 AI tools that'll make you money. Yeah, you heard me. Until then, keep creating, keep innovating, and remember, AI's not here to replace you. It's here to make you unstoppable. Peace out.